This 2025 Grand Design Imagine AIM-16BL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 19 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, awning, smoke detector, slide-out, refrigerator, water heater, skylight, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, LP detector, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, rear bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Imagine AIM-16BL is 3,976 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.